Hi everyone and welcome back. So for today's video, I have some skincare empties that I want to talk about. I did a video like this about a month ago, like a skincare and body care empties video. And here we are again. I have a lot of skincare empties right now. So let's just get into it. I want to start with face serums. I have 4 of them over here. One is from Minimalist, 2 are from Deconstruct, and 1 is from Sulwhasoo. So I am going to start off with the Minimalist's Vitamin C 10% plus AG 1% serum. Most of the products over here were sent to me by the brand for review purpose. So I'm definitely going to mention here whether the products were sent to me or I bought them. So this is a product that I bought and I have a complete review, a 1-month review on this product. If you guys want to watch it, I'm going to link it in the cards up here. But after finishing the bottle, I have to say a couple of things that I didn't mention in the video. Number 1, the consistency of this serum is something that's not very good for oily skin, because after a few days of using it, I saw that it has a tendency to kind of sit on top and not get absorbed into the skin. So that's something that can be a problem for oily skin. Other than that, I love this product and I feel that I'll repurchase it once I exhaust my alpha Arbutin serum. It will give you a bright and glowy skin, definitely. There is no doubt in that. So those are the 2 things that I want to say after exhausting the whole bottle of this vitamin C serum. Next, I have 2 Deconstruct products. Both of these products were sent to me by the brand for review purpose. First of all, I'm going to talk about the Brightening serum, which has 10% niacinamide and 0.3% alpha Arbutin. I love niacinamide. I tried it for the first time and I loved it. If you guys want a detailed review of this product, obviously it's linked in the cards. This is a 15 ml bottle and it will last for about 3 to 4 weeks if you use it day and night. Now, this product claims to reduce hyperpigmentation and tanning and freckles by suppressing melanin production. It didn't work a lot on my hyperpigmentation. Now, niacinamide is something that takes a lot of time to deliver visible results, so you have to give it at least 3 months. But yeah, I used it for 3 weeks, didn't notice any change. It did improve the texture of my skin, the overall texture, but it did nothing for my hyperpigmentation. Other than that, I'd say that this is a really good product for oily skin, sensitive skin. Niacinamide is a great active for sensitive skin. Next up, I have the Deconstruct's Breakout Control Serum. When I tried this serum, I exhausted it. It does work in controlling excessive sebum production on your face, but I can't say a lot about acne because, as I said in the review video, I don't get a lot of acne, so I can't judge it based on that. Now, you should consider the review of a person who gets a lot of acne or breakouts. So ultimately, for serum, I have the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. This is basically an anti-aging serum. I'm just checking it out on Nykaa right now because I threw the box that it came in. Looking at the price, I have to say that this is a luxury brand, definitely. I also have their sleeping mask and I love that product. I feel that that product is justified for the price, but this one, first of all, this reduces signs of aging. I don't have a lot of signs of aging. I do have a few like fine lines under my eyes, around my smile lines, which is very normal. Sulwhasoo is a Korean brand and this product was sent to me by the brand. I didn't purchase it. I love the consistency of this serum. I love how it smells. I mean, I'm not a fan of fragrance in skincare, but I just loved the fragrance of the serum. It was very mild and very soothing. My first impression about this product is that I liked it, but will I purchase it? I don't think so, because I don't want to spend 1850 rupees on a 15 ml bottle. And honestly, this is an anti-aging serum and I don't think I need something like that right now. So next, we are going to talk about some cleansers that I have over here. I am going to start off with a micellar water. This is the Garnier Micellar Oil-Infused Cleansing Water. I still have a little bit of product left in this bottle, but if I don't talk about it right now, I will probably never talk about it. This is a waterproof makeup remover that cleanses plus nourishes. This used to be my favorite micellar water and this is like the 3rd bottle of this micellar water that I exhausted, but then I tried the Bioderma Sensibio H2O and that's better than this one, definitely. The only problem with this micellar water is that it dries out your skin. It dries out your skin like hell. So if this is the last step in your cleansing routine, for example, if you remove makeup with this micellar water and just leave your face, it's gonna dry out your face. It's gonna rip all the moisture off of your face. I will not recommend this micellar water and I will probably not repurchase this again because I don't use micellar water to remove my makeup anymore. I use either a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. Next, I have 2 more cleansers with very simple formulas or ingredients. Same ingredients, I'd say, and in the same order. I'd say. Anyways, I have the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, which is a very famous cleanser, and then the Derma Creamy Cleanser for sensitive skin. I got this one in their anti-pigmentation kit. Now both of these products have almost the same ingredients and in the same order almost. I am going to mention the ingredients of both the products. This side is for Cetaphil, this side is for Derma. So you can purchase any of these. However, I liked the Cetaphil one more than the Derma one because I feel that this gives me more nourished and plump skin after cleansing than the Derma one. But yes, if you consider the consistency, the feel, everything is very much similar. I liked both the cleansers. I can think of repurchasing both of them. I feel that both of these cleansers work for almost all skin types. Both the cleansers are very gentle and they will not rip moisture off of your skin. Now next I have another face wash. This is actually a face wash jelly. This is from Zilch. This is their On Cloud 9 face wash jelly. Now this product was sent to me by the brand. I really like this product. It's very gentle on the skin. After washing your face with this face wash, your face will be very plump and very dewy. It's more of a skin conditioner than a face wash, and the consistency, you guys, it's so good. It's like a very light gel. By the way, I have a full review on this face wash, so I am going to link it in the cards. In case you guys want a detailed review, you can check out the cards. You get about 200 ml of product for rupees 700. I mean, the price is not bad for the quantity and the quality of the product. It has got a little bit of fragrance, so if you have sensitive skin, please do a patch test. In fact, if you have any type of skin, a patch test is very necessary. The fragrance is very mild. Other than that, this has got glycerin, rose water, aloe vera leaf extract. I really loved the jelly-like consistency of this product and the softness that it gave to my skin. It's a very creamy cleanser. It won't lather at all and it will not rip moisture off of your skin at all. It also looks very beautiful on your skincare shelf. So those were all the cleansers. Next I have a sunscreen. This is the Neutrogena UltraSheer Dry Touch Sunblock with an SPF of 50+ and it gives an ultra light clean feel. This is a product that I purchased and it retails for rupees 549 for 88 ml of product. I love this sunscreen. I wore it daily for months. This has got fragrance and it has got a strong fragrance, you guys, but this is a legit sunscreen. Like, it actually protects your skin from the sun. It does prevent tan and it also protects your skin from UVA as well as UVB rays. It has PA+++. It is not very much lightweight, I have to say that, and you do get a little bit of white cast, but it will not be very much prominent. And I have based this review on the fact that you need, a lot of sunscreen and not just a little bit, like a coin drop for just your face and more for your neck. So yes, you have to keep blending it in and you have to give it some time, but it is a really good sunscreen. Now, it has not got a matte finish and it has not got a very light feel, ultra light feel like it's mentioned on the packaging, but it's not too heavy. Next up I have two face mists. So one is from Good Vibes. This is their Rosehip Skin Clarifying Toner. It's actually a toner, but I'd say that this is more of a face mist because it has got a very strong fragrance, and you can spray it all over your face after cleansing, or you can also use it to wet your face if you want to apply a face mask. Now for me personally, it didn't do a lot. Again, I have a review on the whole Rosehip range of Good Vibes. I'm going to link it in the cards. It does claim to give you a balanced and luminous skin, and it helps maintain skin natural pH balance, delivers hydration and tightens pores. It does give you a luminous skin because obviously this is water. If you're going to spray it on your face, your skin is going to shine because there's water on it literally. But it doesn't tighten pores. I don't know about the pH balance, like how do you test that? It does hydrate your face to some extent, so it's a really good product to spray all over your face before applying something that has probably hyaluronic acid. I did purchase this one because I really wanted to try it. I wanted to review it on my channel, but I'll probably not repurchase this again. Next I have the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. I just loved this rose water. I also love their vetiver water. First of all, the fragrance is really good. It's mild and it's very soothing, so I loved the fragrance of this product. This is steam distilled and it's free from artificial fragrance, colorants, preservatives. Again, on this one too, it's mentioned that it balances pH and helps tighten pores. This is a really good product to spray all over your face after cleansing, or if you want to wet your face for applying any type of face mask. I purchased this product and I feel that I will repurchase it, but if I have to repurchase it, I'll probably purchase the bigger bottle. Next, I have 2 lip balms with me over here. Both are from NIVEA. You guessed it right, I love NIVEA lip balms. One is the NIVEA Men Active Care with SPF of 15 and the other one is their Original Care. Now, I will say that I like Original Care more than their Active Care SPF 15 because I feel that this one is more long lasting. It needs reapplication after every 3 to 4 hours, but this one you have to reapply after 1.5 to 2 hours. It won't last more than that. And I have very dry lips, so I need a lip balm that's long lasting. Also, the Original Care has got a little bit of fragrance, very mild vanilla kind of fragrance, but the SPF 15 has got no fragrance. So I exhausted both of these, as you can see. And not just that, I already repurchased the Original Care. As you can see, again, I purchased all the lip balms. They were not sent to me. I hope they never discontinue it because my lips are literally living because of this product. So that's another empties video. I hope it was helpful. I hope I didn't forget anything. If I did, do let me know in the comments. If you have any queries about any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, do let me know in the comments. I'd love to answer them. And that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.